This is the Canon EOS R100, the camera that I ended up getting. I took some footage over the holidays to test it out. Check it out.
The owl often perches.
You can take off at one time.
And you can tell because you see on the back of its head looks like it has.
Four over here, and it's like 3 dark ones and 1 light one.
Or what?
Seals.
Seals.
Be a little bit more firm.
Just microwave the sausage. You want to do that?
Ooh, what are you putting in it? Seasoning with?
It's this green goddess.
It's like chive, garlic, onion.
We're kind of winging it a bit.
It's 1 1/3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt to rope. That's about 1/2 inch wide. In more flour, a tablespoon at a time as needed.
Okay, so we don't. Nice cinema.
I think you should do a lot.
A ton of them, yeah.
Some of them I'm accidentally squishing the corners. Is that my seasoning?
Yeah.
And then the rest will be with the tomato.
I can do that, Gabe.
Hi, Papa. Yes. Looks like a ham.
What else? I think she wants ham. She loves a camera. Oh. I know. Look at the
This time, yeah?
And so she was paying for